Hello, welcome to Naushad Online Education. Today I discuss about mole concept. This one is the class 9 and also helpful for the class 11 mole concept. Okay guys, let's do a start this topic. Okay, this one is the mole concept. Okay, मॉल कंसेप्ट का सबसे पहले हमने यहाँ बहुत सारे फॉर्मूलाज हैं। फॉर्मूलाज को यहाँ पे देखा, फॉर्मूलाज को देखते हैं सबसे पहले और आफ्टर दैट इसका क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इक्वल टू होता है कि गिवन मास अपॉन मोलर मास। दिस वन इज द फॉर्मूला नंबर ऑफ मोल्स। ओके, तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इज गिवन दैट इट इज द रिप्रेजेंट n. ओके, number of moles is represented by n given mass g dot m molar mass m dot m. Okay, so if when question is asking to find the number of moles, then we apply given mass upon molar mass and find the number of moles. And second one is the number of atoms or molecules. Number of atoms or molecules is equal to number of moles into n. Okay, this one is the second formula and it is the also helpful, okay, for the solve the question. Okay, so there will be number of atoms or molecules. It is the represent also number of moles is represented by the n and Na. Na is the Avogadro number, the Avogadro constant. Okay, N is the Avogadro number, yeah, also we can say Avogadro and also we can say Avogadro constant. Okay, so therefore number of moles is equal to n is equal to gm upon air mm. That means given mass upon molar mass. So also there we number of moles we can write gm upon mn, and therefore n is the adjective there. Okay, and Avogadro number, it is the value of Avogadro number. Okay, and this one is the value of Avogadro number. This one is the value. This one is the value of Avogadro number, 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. Okay, so this one is the very helpful for the solving question. आपको ये सारे फॉर्मूलाज क्या होना चाहिए, रिमेम्बर्स होना चाहिए। यहाँ पे 1 फॉर्मूलाज है और ये आपका सेकेंड फॉर्मूलाज है, आपका ये एवोगाड्रो का, ये एवोगाड्रो नंबर का, ये हमारा वैल्यू पता है। और अब यहाँ से ही हम सारे चीज टर्म को क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से फाइंड कर सकते हैं। जैसे यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ मोल्स आपको फाइंड आप बोलेगा फाइंड करने के लिए, तो आपको गिवन मास दे रखेगा, मोलर मास दे रखेगा, वहां से फाइंड कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, अगर यहाँ से आपको गिवन मास दे दिया, गिवन मास अगर आपको दे दिया फाइंड करने के लिए, अगर आपको यहाँ से जीएम दे दिया फाइंड करने के लिए, तो आप क्या कीजिएगा यहाँ पे, तो डायरेक्ट आ जाएगा, क्या आएगा, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इनटू मॉलिक्यूलर मास। आपको ये फॉर्मूला बन जाएगा यहाँ पे। तो आप खुद से भी यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला को क्या कर सकते हैं, जनरेट कर सकते हैं। जैसे मॉलिक्यूलर मास फाइंड करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, अगर मॉलिक्यूलर मास अगर यहाँ पे हमें क्या फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, तो क्या आ जाएगा बताओ, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, जीएम अपॉन एन। यहाँ पे एक फॉर्मूला और आ गया। तो हम यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला से फॉर्मूला क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। तो जिस हिसाब से हमें यूजुअल आएगी उस हिसाब से हम वहाँ पे फॉर्मूला को क्रिएट करेंगे। ठीक है, तो ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ये फॉर्मूलाज है, आप उसको अच्छी तरह से रिमेम्बर कीजिए। चलिए हम आगे देखते हैं, क्वेश्चंस करते हैं। चलिए यहाँ पे हम सबसे पहले क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, इसके अंदर देखते हैं कि कैसे हम फाइंड करते हैं। बस इसके अंदर टू फॉर्मूलाज था, तो उस फॉर्मूलाज से हम फॉर्मूलाज को क्रिएट किया। तो अब सबसे पहले यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस को देखते हैं, इस क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करके देखते हैं इस क्वेश्चंस के अंदर क्या है। बोला कि कैलकुलेट नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इन द 4.6 ग्राम ऑफ Na. Na is the sodium. Na is the sodium. This question is saying calculate the number of moles. It means value of N in 4.6 gram of Na. So we have this one is the sodium in this gram. So we have molecular mass. Molecular mass is given how much? Sorry, molecular mass is not given. Molecular mass is the not given. So we can say how to find molecular mass. Molecular mass of the sodium. So molecular mass of the sodium is the 23 gram. Okay, 23 gram. Because of sodium, this one is the sodium. Electronics, sorry, atomic number is the 11. This one is the atomic number. This one is the atomic number, and this one is the mass number. Mass number is the 23. Okay. Mm is the molar mass. Mm is the molar mass. Okay. No doubt. These are same. Okay. So we have now we found the number of moles. It means well and equal to, we know that number of moles is equal to Gm upon mm. Gm upon mm. It means in Gm it means given mass. Given mass is the 4.6. 4.6 upon mm. It means molar mass. Molar mass is the 23. Molar mass we can also mass number. Okay. So there will be, this one is the cancel out. How many times? 0.2 times. So number of moles is equal to 0.2. This one is the answer. I hope your questions आपको समझ में आया होगा यहाँ पे. So this one is the number of moles. This one is the moles. Okay. Second question, calculate number of atoms in 46 gram of Na. Na is also sodium. Okay. So in this question, number of atoms. Okay. Calculate number of atoms. So we know that number of atom Gm upon mm into Na. So Gm it means given mass. Given mass is the 46, and molar mass of sodium. So molar mass या mass number. This one is a 23. This one is also gram. Okay. Into Avogadro number. We also know that Avogadro number is a 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So we can say 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. Okay. Therefore, 23 1 is 23. 23 2 is 46. We have 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. Okay. And also this one and this one यहाँ पे करते थे. Okay. And after that 6 to the 12. Okay. 0.044 into 10 raised to the power 23. So we can say, okay, so we can say 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 Na atom. Okay, because there will be find the number of the atom in 46 gram. So we have this one. We have this result 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23. Okay, sodium of atom. I hope you understand. Before I know that, there will be number of molecules. We have find the number of atoms, number of moles into Na, and also we know that number of moles Gm upon mm into Na. Gm is the given number and m is the molar mass या molecular mass या mass number. Okay, some relative. Okay, so there will also find that there will be given the Gm, that means given mass, and also find the sodium of molecular mass. Sodium of molecular mass is the 23, and also multiply by the Avogadro number, and result will be this one. Okay, I hope समझ में आ गया होगा. Next one. This question is saying calculate mass number of 0.2 moles of hydrogen. Calculate mass of 0.2 moles of H2O. In this questions, okay, in this questions, N is equal to, this one is the given mass. So given N is and find the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Okay. So number of mass is the given. 0.2 into equal to Gm. Gm is the Gm. I don't know. Okay. So Gm is already, and also molecular mass of the H2O. Molecular mass of H2O. The molecular mass of H2O, it means 1 into 2 plus 16. So therefore will be 18, and molecular mass is the 18. Okay. And after that find the value of the Gn. It means mass. We can say mass. So mass equal to, this one is the 0.2 into 18, and also we can say mass. So mass is equal to 3.6 gram. So this one is the answer. Yeah, result. This one is the result. Okay. This one is the result of mass. Okay. Because calculate the mass of 0.2 moles of the H2O. Number of moles is the given. Okay, number of moles is the given, and molecular mass find the H2O. So we can say only we have remaining Gm, it means mass, and then find this answers. This result will comes. Okay. And also let's go another questions. This question, calculate number of CO2 molecules and in 0.88 gram of CO2. Okay. Also calculate number of O atom. O atom, it means oxygen atom. And in these questions, number of molecules. Okay. We find the number of molecules. So number of molecules equal to Gm upon mm. It means गिवन मास अपॉन मोलर मास इनटू Na, एवोगाड्रो नंबर. तो Gm is the given mass is the 0.88 gram and molar mass, and find the molar mass of CO2. Molar mass of CO2. Find CO2. It means C. This one is the 12 carbon of mass, 12 plus oxygen of mass 16, and molecules is the 2, so multiply by the 2. So this one is the all 44. So molecular mass of CO2. Molecular mass of the CO2 is the 44 gram. This one is the gram. Okay. And also Avogadro number. Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. Okay. And also 41 is the 41, and this one is the how many times? 1 times. So 0.0, sorry, 2 times 0.02. Okay, clear? So we have 0.02 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, and after that multiply this number next, and after that multiply this number. So we have 12.044 into, okay, 10 raised to into 10. This one is the CO2 of molecules. CO2 of molecules. Okay. So number of molecules, there will be number of molecules we find in this question, and this question is also asking, okay, this one is the completed, this one, because number of CO2 molecules, number of molecules found, we find the number of molecules, there will be, there is completed, okay, and also calculate the number of the atoms, which atoms, O atoms. Then after that, in this situation, okay, in this situation, number of atom in oxygen, okay. So we can say we have this one, sorry, this one is a 21, also 21, okay. So we have 12.044, okay, 44 into 10 raised to the power 21, and also this one is the oxygen O2, and also this one is a multiply by the 2. So we can say we have 24.88 into 10 raised to the power 21 oxygen of atom. I hope you are understand, समझ में आ गया होगा. Okay, so this one is the first answer. First answer is this one, because find the number of moles, and second one is the find the atom present in the oxygen O2. So there will be, this comes in this one. Okay. And also next question, which is containing more number of atom, 10 gram of carbon या 10 gram of oxygen. There will be find कि how is the mole containing, okay, number of atom, it means then find the number of atom. So we can say number of atom Gm upon Mn into Nm. So we can say Gm, it means given mass, there will be given of 10 gram, molecular mass of carbon is the 12, okay, and also Avogadro number, how much? 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. because this one is the 4, यहाँ पे this one is the 4 carbon, 4 carbon, because there will be two find carbon and oxygen. So first is the 4 find the carbon and second times we find the oxygen. Okay, so this one is the carbon. So carbon molecular mass is the 12. We can say and after that this one is the, आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. ओके, तो 2 5 are 10. Okay, and also 2 6 are, and we have 5 upon 6 into 6.022 10 to the power 23. And also you can simplify this equation. मैं यहीं पे छोड़ रहा हूँ, आप इसको और सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिए. इसको पॉइंट में इसको क्या करना है, आपको पॉइंट में लाके और इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. ठीक है, आप इसको खुद से कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट वन देखते हैं. दिस वन इज द 4, this one is the second one, this one is the 4 oxygen. Okay, and also same formula applied. We know that number of atom is Gm upon m into Avogadro number. In this question is also given, okay, 10. This one is a 10, and also this one is the molecular mass 12, and also 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. Okay, and also in this situation, okay, 2 6, there will be, sorry, 5, not 2. So 5 upon 6 into 6.002 into 10 raised to the power 23. Okay, and also you can also this one you can this one is also simplified. And after that we comparing the both. This one is also 5 upon 6 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, and also 5 upon 6 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So we can say, okay, we can say number of